Oh my gosh, I can't remember where I parked my car. Where is it? Oh my gosh. Do you know where my car is? Okay, let's see. Got it. Luckily, I have installed my dash camera, so it said, okay, right here, right here. I know where I parked my car now. Let's go, guys. Oh, I'm so happy. Is Vân from Automechanika, Ho Chi Minh City. Do you know where to get auto parts and accessories in Vietnam? If you don't know, today I'm gonna show you where they are in Ho Chi Minh City. Also, I will show you some Vietnamese words so that you can chat with the shop owners. Alright, let's go. Here we are, we're at Mạnh Quân shop on An Dương Vương Street in District 5. And in District 5, you can easily find many auto shops and retail selling auto parts and accessories, such as dash camera, audio system, jump starter, carpet, diffusers, car care products and services, and many more. Generally speaking, you can find whatever you need for your car here. Cho tôi một tinh dầu thơm. Cảm ơn. When you want to buy something, in Vietnamese you would say cho tôi and then the name of the item. So if you want to buy a jump starter, it's called bộ kích điện. Radar detector, máy dò radar. Dash camera, camera hành trình. Auto parts, phụ tùng xe hơi. Car care products, sản phẩm chăm sóc xe. Wheels and tires, bánh và lốp xe. If you want to ask about the price, like how much is this, you can say cái này bao nhiêu tiền? Cái này bao nhiêu tiền? Lastly, you would say cảm ơn as thank you. Cảm ơn. Bye bye. Next stop, we are at Hiệp Cường Auto Garage on Lý Thường Kiệt Street in District 11, Ho Chi Minh City. As you may see, many tires, repair, maintenance shops, and garages can be found here in District 3, 10, and 11. You can see Thanh Phat Auto Garage, which is famous for repairing services. You can find Come Hold Tire, which is a Korean tire manufacturer. And I'm here at Hiệp Cường Auto Garage, which has a team of qualified staff, modern machines that can meet all repair needs of all types of vehicles. Okay, so I just saw anh Cường, who is the shop owner of Hiệp Cường Garage, and now I'm gonna ask him some questions. Hi anh Cường, nice to meet you. So what auto parts do you focus on the most, and where do you import them?
Cái phụ tùng Hiệp Cường nhập về nhiều nhất là của phần máy và gầm, và nguồn nhập chủ yếu là từ Nhật này, từ Đức. Mục tiêu là phục vụ khách hàng, cho nên là cái giá trị cốt lõi của Hiệp Cường là minh bạch, uy tín và đảm bảo cho khách hàng cái sự hài lòng nhất. Chính vì thế là Hiệp Cường luôn mong muốn tìm thêm được những nguồn phụ tùng ở các nước châu Á khác nữa như Hồng Kông, Singapore hoặc là Đài Loan để đa dạng hóa cái sản phẩm phục vụ khách hàng nhanh hơn, tốt hơn.
Thank you so much. I think Automechanika is a very great platform to connect local and international suppliers to trade and source the auto parts and car accessory. So hopefully in the future we can connect with each other. Thank you so much. Good luck. Next time, if you may need to buy auto parts or accessories, you may come to An Dương Vương in District 5 and Lý Thường Kiệt in District 11 in Saigon. For me, I have marked my calendar to attend Automechanika Ho Chi Minh City exhibition from June 29 to July 1st, 2022 to meet up with more of the auto suppliers and manufacturers from more than 15 countries and regions. The product ranges will be covered from original equipment parts to aftermarket parts such as auto parts, diagnostic and repair, accessories and customizing products and their related services. In addition, I am looking forward to attending the EMMA Vietnam event, which is about audio and exterior tuning competition. Last but not least, I will drive my car there to experience and learn more about car care knowledge in auto service and maintenance workshops there. Wish to see you all in the exhibition. Thank you everyone for watching, and let's play it, watch it, and feel it together.